what you have in your hands is a powerful tool, one that is going to shape the way you approach the digital treatment plan of your patient and improve the way you communicate with your dental technician. Hi, I'm Dr. Diogo Alves, and in the next 10 minutes, I am not only going to show you the app's capabilities, but how you can use them to your advantage the next time you see your patient. So take your notes as you are about to elevate the way you initiate and conduct your treatment plan based on your digital smile designs. From cases like static restorations and periodontal plastic surgery procedures to help you understanding the potential new smile of the dentalist patients with cases such as upper denture hybrids, DSDApp or Digital Smile Design application uses the principles of smile design to help you find the right solution to initiate your treatment plan based on your patient's unique facial and dental components to create an overall orofacial harmony. Our goal as dentists is to restore our patients' comfort, function, aesthetics, and health. And to achieve that goal, in most cases, an interdisciplinary approach will be needed to guide our clinical decisions. Essentially, what you are doing using the DSDApp is to establish what the patient's desired aesthetics will be and work your way backward to then evaluate the treatment needed to reach that final result. So first, listen to your patient. Second, understand your patient's facial and dental characteristics. And to do so, I will show you in a few minutes how you can take the perfect picture for this analysis. Third, create a smile design to initiate your visual planning and motivate your patient to determine the desired outcome and to begin with the end result, which is why you need the DSDApp technology. Fourth, determine your treatment plan based on your clinical and complementary exams, diagnostics, and findings to achieve the goal of conquering the end result based on your digital smile design. And fifth, create instant lab documentation of your designs to better communicate with your lab technician and to decrease the number of errors using the DSDApp. The smile design process starts with a perfect frontal picture of your patient that will help you understand their oral and facial components before starting the facially driven smile simulation. To take a perfect picture of a patient to help you in the treatment plan process, position your patient standing up straight with no hats or glasses and hair tucked behind the ears and in a room with great lighting. Take a portrait picture with a natural head position and note that you need to level the lens of the camera to the eyes of your patient. And also make sure that your phone is straight. So looking at the lens of the camera, ask your patient to give a big wide smile with the mouth slightly open. Now let's pause here for a second and let me tell you why the quality of this picture makes all the difference. You are using the picture to understand the overall symmetry or asymmetry of your patient as it correlates to the facial and dental components. So here, for example, you can check on the shape of the patient's face, facial midline, lip position, the correlation between the interpupillary line and the commissure line, and the overall appearance of the patient's face and proper facial proportions. Based on the facial analysis, you will also understand the dental components of your patient, such as the dental midline, the incisal edge display, the gingival display, the appearance of the buccal corridor, and the smile curve or occlusal plane of the patient. The other reason why you are taking this picture is because you are giving the right information to your artificial intelligence of DSDApp to generate the automated facially driven smile simulation. Great. Now you know how and why to take the perfect picture of your patient. So now let's dive into the DSDApp on your iPhone. Tap on the DSDApp, and on the top left corner, you will see the menu bar. To start your digital smile journey, let's go to New Case. And now to Smile Simulation powered by the artificial intelligence. You will see 3 different boxes. To start, let's tap on the box that says Full Smile. Once you tap on this plus sign, you can take a live picture of your patient by tapping on Take Picture, or if you already have the picture of your patient, you can bring this patient picture from a photo gallery, iCloud, Dropbox, or Google Drive. Today, we will be working together on the same patient. So I want you to tap on the Try Me. And here you will find 3 different patients for you to practice. Let's select patient number 3. So as you can see, as soon as you take the frontal facial picture of your patient, a smile frame will be positioned onto the patient's face. And all that you have to do is to make some adjustments to place this teeth over the patient's existing teeth. You can use your fingers to zoom in into the picture. And by using a finger, you can move the smile frame up and down, or to one side or to the other, by selecting it over these red arrows. To set the proportion of the teeth, you can slide this slider to the right or to the left. And to set the curvature of the smile based on the curvature of the lower lip of your patient, you can move the curve button up and down. Now, let's tap on Next, which is right here at the bottom of your app. So what's happening now? The artificial intelligence of DSDApp is calculating the patient's facial structure to give you a suggestive smile based on the patient's facial shape and average age. You can use the suggestive smile design that the artificial intelligence is suggesting to you, but if you want to change it, the teeth form, you can slide your finger up and down right here. So you can change it to square, and to do so, select square and hit generate. And I will zoom in with my finger so you can have a better vision. You can change it to oval and hit generate. And you will notice that the shape of the teeth will change accordingly. Of course, these are based on the patient's average age. But if you want to set different smile designs without any boundaries, you can scroll down to Smile Gem, and on the teeth form, set it free. And when you hit generate, you will have different designs at a click of a button. If you're satisfied with your smile design, all that you have to do is to tap before and after to initiate a conversation with your patient and start your backward treatment planning. And it's that simple. You are using your dental experience and the digital technology of the artificial intelligence of DSDApp to initiate a harmonic smile to your patient. And on this stage, you can do the before and after picture by sliding your finger onto these arrows to the right and to the left to show the patient the potential new smile and encourage them to proceed with the treatment plan. You can also tap on these arrows. So if you tap on it, the slider will just move automatically. For you to share this image is very simple. Tap at the share button, which is at the bottom of your app. Select photo. Now go to your photo gallery into your iPhone. And you will see the picture side by side, the before and after. And the greatest things about this before and after picture is that you can identify what you need to do to create the entire treatment plan based on the picture and what are the other complementary exams that you will need in order to make this a reality. So by having a before and after picture, you can also share it with your patient so they can be motivated. You can share it with dental technicians, then you can share it with other dental specialists who will be involved in this treatment process. So for example, here we can see that this patient, in order to get this harmonic smile, we would have to do some ortho as she has some diastemas. Also do some gingivectomy to give more harmonic, make her teeth a little longer, and probably increase the incisal edge a little bit to give a nicer curvature and give more harmony to the overall picture. Once you go back here to the DSDApp, for you to save this design, very simple, you tap on the next button. You add the name of this patient and you hit save. For you to find the designs that you created, just go to My Patients and your patients will be under the DSDApp AI.